Hello again. So, when I was sifting through some spent compost to reinvigorate it earlier in the year, I found some seed potatoes which were the size of a pea. They're obviously tiny little potatoes I missed last year when I was harvesting. They looked quite firm, so rather than throw them out, I decided I would chuck them into a pot with some fresh compost and a little bit of manure and see what happens. And what you're looking at now on the screen is what happened. So we're going to get on and harvest these. I have no idea what potatoes they are or what original seed potato plants they came from. So we'll see what we get.
Where do you get potatoes?
Sometimes I buy them in Iceland and sometimes I get them in Sainsbury's.
No.
Show Nanny where you get potatoes from.
From there.
Look, let's show her. Have we found any potatoes on a potato hunt yet?
No potatoes.
Oh, wait a minute, Nanny.
Wait a minute.
Sainsbury's.
No, just wait a minute, Nanny. Keep going. Oh. Get it. What's that?
Potato.
It's a real potato.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Can you get me my basket?
Oh, okay, yeah. Wait till we get your basket. 1 second. What else can we find?
Oh, look that. Another real life.
Another real live potato. Oh, that's a beauty. Oh,
Look. Another real life potato.
another
Look
real
how
live
many.
potato.
Nana, look how many potatoes are my little way.
So, there's another one.
Look, Nan.
That's a nice.
You look this way.
Okay, don't worry.
If I'm afraid. Nan! 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 Don't leave.
Oh, it's a nice one. Look at that.
Let me see. We're going on a potato hunt.
A potato hunt.
Look what I found.
Oh, wow.
We're good.
Oh,
A
look at it.
family of potatoes. Let's pick them
Let's
all.
pick that one. That's a big one.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Look, oh, another family of potatoes. That's it. You can find any more in there first.
Is this right here? Where do you get potatoes?
I always buy my potatoes in Sainsbury's or Lidl or Iceland or any other supermarket.
Let's have a look and see what you
no.
got. Well, when you consider that these potatoes were found by accident, they started off life about the size of a pea. They were just chucked into a bucket with some compost and manure and pretty much left to their own devices. I'm quite pleased with that little harvest. We're going to enjoy these tonight. There seems to be a mix of two different types of potatoes there, but that's fine. So, pretty good really. We got something decent to eat out of it, and what you see here is the size of the potatoes that I originally started with. So I'm going to do it again. There's the pot, refreshed with some manure and compost, and I'm going to just shove those tiny little pea-sized potatoes that you saw back into the pot, and we'll see what they do. The other two pots you see are similar to the first pot. Again, they were little pea-sized potatoes that I found. So I've two more buckets to harvest, and we'll see a little bit later on. I'm going to give these another couple of weeks and see how they do. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.